Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch, placing your hands to your thighs. With an inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Begin to lift and lower through your right leg, contracting your leg muscles at the top of the movement, toning and strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Lift and lower through your left leg as you continue sitting tall, contracting through your hip flexors and thigh muscles. Release, setting your left foot to the earth. Continue alternating right and left, or lift both legs and hold for a boat pose variation. Breathe as you continue to lift through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upwards, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.